viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see three types of cookies in our channel. One is choco chip cookies, the second one is fruit cookies, and the third one is a salted cookie. So the base for these three cookies are the same. We are going to make the base first, divide into three portions and add the ingredients accordingly. So for the base I have taken 1 cup of refined flour, that is maida, and next I have taken 1/3 cup of powdered sugar and a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/3 cup of melted butter. The butter and the sugar, the quantity should be same. Now shall we prepare the base? So first we need to take a bowl. I am adding the powdered sugar first. Next I am going to add the butter. So now we are going to mix it with the whisk until it turns smooth. So it will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Just do in a circular motion. Keep beating this mixture until it turns frothy and smooth. So now the mixture has turned frothy. Now we'll add the refined flour. Pinch of salt we have taken. Next the baking powder, followed by baking soda, and let's begin to knead it with our hands. You can use a whisk as well, but kneading with hands gives you a nice texture. So I didn't use a whisker. So at this stage you can add a teaspoon of milk if needed. So I am adding a little. And I am going to knead it again until it forms a smooth dough. Now the base is ready, so we are going to divide the dough into 3 equal parts now, and we'll show the respective ingredients. So now first we are going to prepare the fruit cookies. For that I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of pineapple essence to this dough, and then I am adding a handful of tutti frutti and cherries, and I am going to mix well. You can add any dry fruits of your choice, raisins, dates, and even nuts too. Mix it well. Now we are going to make choco chip cookies. So I am adding a teaspoon of white vanilla essence, followed by some choco chips, a handful, and then to make it even more chocolatey, we are going to add half a tablespoon of cocoa powder, and we are going to knead this all together until it forms a dough. So now with the remaining dough we are going to prepare the salted cookies. For this I am adding a pinch of carom seeds to it, and then I am going to knead this dough well. Adding of carom seeds makes the dough really more tastier. You can add nigella seeds, that is black cumin seeds also. I prefer adding carom seeds. So now we are going to flatten this dough. You can use a chapati kneader to flatten it. And then we are going to use a cookie cutter. Now I am going to use a cookie cutter to shape these salted cookies. In case if you don't have a cutter, you can use your hands as well. So we are going to take the rest of the dough and shape it again to these sizes. Now our salted cookies are ready to bake. So I am going to make small holes with this to look even more prettier. You can use a fork as well to make some designs of your choice. So now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt on top of all the cookies to make it even more saltier. I have greased a tray with butter, so I'm placing the cookies now and they are ready to bake. Leave some gap in between them. So in our previous baking videos we have used an aluminium pan to bake. So I'm using the same method now. I've preheated the kadai for about 15 minutes in medium flame. So I've used the same salt which I've used for baking. Now we have placed this tray and I'm going to close it and I'm going to turn the flame to medium and let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes in medium heat. Once they are done, we'll see the result. Next, we are going to bake the fruit cookies as the same way in which we bake the salt cookies. So I have used an art and shape cutter to cut this. You can use any cookie cutter of your choice. If you don't have a cookie cutter, don't worry, you can use your hands to shape your cookie as well. So shall we do the same method? I have preheated this kadai again. So next, let's place and close the kadai and keep the flame in medium for 20 to 25 minutes. So now our fruit cookies are ready. They are freshly baked, so they're very hot. Allow them to come to room temperature. They'll turn crisp. The color also will change. So we shall transfer this to another plate and we shall bake our next set of cookies. So now we are going to bake, finally we are going to bake our choco chip cookies. So again I have followed the same baking method. I have used a cookie cutter. You can also use a cookie cutter or you can use your hand to shape as well. Now already I have preheated my kadai. So let me place this tray and close the kadai and we shall wait for 25 minutes until all the cookies are baked completely. So finally our choco chip cookies are also well baked. So we'll let them to come to room temperature, and once it comes to room temperature it will turn more crispier and tastes even better. Our tasty cookies are ready to eat. Friends, do try this recipe and please give your suggestions in the comment box. I'll see you in another good episode. Until then, it's bye. If you like this video, press the like button, share this video to your friends and do subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon and press the all button so you'll get all our updates instantly. So I'll meet you in another good episode. Until then, it's bye from Indian Kitchen. A small message. The detailed description regarding this video, that is the ingredients with the measuring and all the description is given in the description box. Kindly do check it.